It's good except for one thing. The tone is too thin. Alright?
It's too like this.
You won't be heard with this piece because wind players and brass players like to play loud. Alright? Also, whenever you have a dotted eighth and then a 16th, dee, da, 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 you tend to stop the vibrato. So the phrase doesn't carry through. You know, it sounds like dee, da, 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 dee, da, 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 da. But the important thing is that you have to have a much bigger personality. Your tone has to fill, you know? And it's not just a matter of what you can do, it's a matter of style. You know, out there, that would sound like, you know? So it had to. Sounds better, right? Okay, why? Because I give much more energy here, more weight, faster blow speeds, and I don't stop my vibrato. You start this all by yourself. The orchestra doesn't come in until here. So you can't produce that type of sound. Sounds, you know the word we use, puny? You see a little scraggly dog that doesn't get enough food, and his bones, his ribs are showing, you know, or a little guy who's just thin, and you call him puny. You can't play with a puny tone. You can produce a beautiful sound. Just do it. And your decrescendo was too soon, too. But not. You hear it? There's no direction to the melody. You hear that? Okay, start the beginning.